Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you have decided that it's time to part way with your Weebly website, I'm here to show you how to delete it step by step. It's simple process, so let's dive in. First of all, open a web browser on a mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your account and you will land on the dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now click on the hamburger option on the bottom left corner of the screen and click on website and edit sites. From there, select the site that you want to edit and click on edit option. After clicking on it, you will be landing on the Weebly editor page. From there, search for an option saying settings on the top navigation bar and click on it. And on this general setting option, scroll down and you will see an option saying delete website. So simply click on it. Once you click delete site, Weebly will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the website. This is final step, so make sure that you are absolutely sure that you want to proceed. You may need to enter your account password for security, and that's it. Your Weebly website is now deleted forever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.